Okay, Sam's locked on to something. Let's see what he's got. What? Dude. Get over here. And it's, you got some kind of, and you've got a pedal besides that. That is neat. Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
That is a good find. And a pedal to boot. Wow. Rusty gold. M&M Rusty Gold. We're out here. Let's see. Whoa, that's some good weight right there. Wow. Man, M&M Rusty Gold. That's with his 4800 Kratos Magnus he picked that up with.